I'm Joachim. I have background in architecture. This is my project, streetBUZZ. It's a web application. Nowadays, most of the web applications are driven by technology. Sometimes they hit the user needs, sometimes not. Therefore, I will try to apply user-centered design to this development. And here is my design process. Each item is the activity I did, and I code it by different types. The user research based on concept. There are four main phases: the direction finding, explore possibilities, and develop concept and prototype. At the beginning, I just know I want to make a mobile phone application, and I want to make it public or feasible in market. And so in this phase, I apply all kinds of design thinking skills to explore all the possibilities based on user research or desktop research. And then I come up with a very quick concept, which is a service that allows users to send a message to a cell phone device. It's a communication model, and I'm really fascinated by the possibility this model could be, but it's still very technology driven. There's no very clear user need inside. Therefore, I refine this as my initial research framework, which is try to understand how people communicate in the urban space and apply these models to the cell phone context. And then I do a lot of user research. Here I pick up some relevant to my final concept. The first, I try to find how people communicate in the physical environment. Here you can see people will use the fire to talk to some others. And shop, they will put a sign outside to let customers know what's happening inside. And then I interview some microblogging users. The first code is he bought a new iPhone and he asked some question about new iPhone which is a kind of Twitter. And some stranger answers his question very fast. You don't know what they mean. Yeah, it's a very good. And second one is he recently he don't have a regular life. He go to bed very late. And so he tried to document that with iPhone and write the time he got to bed on Twitter. Now he has a better idea of his life. And last one is a very big event happened in Taiwan last month, which is the DKDS online store that they bought at one price online. And in 10 hours, thousands of Taiwanese people, they bought 10,000 computers. Just by lots of people, they know this by Twitter. Therefore, it's my first insight is valuable information, which is fixed in a very short period of time, and sometimes it's location related, such as last minute related in the supermarket. And then I interview a journalist who is the people control the communication in the city. The code is audience don't buy the advertisements on the newspaper, but they believe the news report of the restaurant. But actually, they are also paid by restaurants. The second one is for journalists, everything is the news, but they only report the information not related to most of the people. So journalists, they are the filter to filter information for everybody, to most of the people. And the last one is the local television, they focus on the local news, which is very different from the conventional national news. So the inside is micro news. The news have a different feature type. Some are related to most of people some are very small, but they're still very useful for a small group of people. And the micronews have the other feature is the news are some statistic type of news are averaged. For example, the major is the best news is a city, but sometimes we want to know here or the park as the weather. You can see in Denmark, if it rains in the south of Copenhagen, maybe it's not in the north. And last one is, one of my friends, he works in Nokia, and he said the chef of Nokia he uses Twitter every day. He will share the story of his food. He will provide contextual information for my friend. So it's more easier for him to make choice. So this very fast native, and for me it's a new media that changed the interaction between the business and customers. So here are my 3 insights. I continue with the last one. But the first and second one is still a very important part of my design. And then I set up a design challenge. How might we use the new media to design the interaction between the small business and customers? The new media means the media by internet. And nowadays, only big companies, they can do advertisement or they can interact with the customers by internet. For small business, it's the first step, collect the email from customers very hard, not to mention keep tracking and interact with the customers. So that means there's a huge business opportunity for these interactions. And then I developed a concept. After brainstorming, I have lots of wild ideas, and I still do a user research, find some evidence on the Twitters. And I found out that those evidence are more crazy and study than what ideas are. Here, in this phase, I more focus on the user research. And here is the features I summarized. The first one is the real-time information broadcast. Twitter demonstrated this very well. The Michael Jackson's event is clearly demonstrated. And second one is make invisible attributes visible. That means sometimes you buy something from shops, you are not buying a tangible product, you are buying a service. And here you can see it's a haircut shop in Taiwan. They will post all the products on the blog. So it's very, very easy for customers to know the quality of the service and know does they like this service. And then I made a very experiment to explore like Nokia chef. I go to design school's canteen and ask the chef to write down the story of the food today, and I send a message to classmates. I try to understand the issue in this kind of interaction. And the main finding is the chef is a very good chef, but he's not good at promoting his business. And so I think he needs more example or mimic others chef. And the second finding is my classmate now, she received the text and she said she's allergic to that food. But for me, it's a good situation because even you are not going to the restaurant today because of allergic food, but it prevents you have the bad memories of this restaurant. And then I also interviewed eBay sellers. She said it's very important to make a nice picture of the product and describe it with her point of view. That means she is selling the styles. Even her product is a little higher than ours, but it's still very popular.
But I will try it.
Next, the new communication experience. Nowadays, the NLB, which is a professional baseball league in the United States, they are providing a real-time video stream to the iPhone